Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do quite a chilled out and laid back video. I'm just going to do a chatty get ready with me today. I am going out today with my friends. We're just going out for some food. My last video I think that I would do a chatty get ready with me, and I just thought it's been a while, so I thought I'd just do one. So if you want to get ready with me and just see how my makeup turns out and just have a little chat, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Anyways, got wet hair, fresh out of the shower, and I've literally still got my t-shirt on because I'm wearing white for when I go out, so I don't want to get makeup on, so I'm going to change after. Let's get ready with me, but I've still just done my eyebrows before I sat down to film. I can't do them on camera. It'd be really boring, so I'm just never ever gonna do my brows on camera. So I think as far as get ready with me's go, I'm not gonna tell you everything I'm using just because it's just gonna like interrupt everything in between. If I remember or something that's really good, then I'll just tell you what I'm using, but everything will be in the description box anyway if you are wondering what stuff I'm putting on my face. Out for dinner with my friends, so I thought I'd just, you know, put some effort in for once and just do some nice makeup. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've got a palette that I'm excited to try today. I'm actually gonna be filming with it tomorrow and do like a review on it. So I'm gonna try it out today and see what I think. I will talk about is something I was so sad about. Like I was sad about it, but then I kind of understand why they did it. But I don't know if anyone's heard about Jaclyn Hill's like vault with Morphe, that they've like kind of withdrew the whole release date of it and stuff. Like I don't know how like at first I was like really sad because I really wanted to get it straight away, but now I just kind of realized that, you know, they're trying to get the best formula or something along those lines, just kind of get told whatever they want to share. But if they're going to improve the formula, it's basically, if you don't know what's happened, Jaclyn Hill was going to release another collab with Morphe, and they were going to do like a whole vault collection. Obviously she has her really famous eyeshadow palette, but they're gonna now release a full vault which is 4 10-pan eyeshadow palettes. And apparently like when they sent them out to all their, you know, the PR list, so like when all the influencers would try them out on camera and stuff, apparently there were like a lot of inconsistencies with the formula. So some people would try it and it'd be like the same amazing formula that Jaclyn tried and like actually made. Then some people would just get a crappy palette basically. So because of that they decided to like withdraw the whole launch, just because, well, they've said that they don't want some people to get a bad batch or a bad palette, which I understand. And to be fair, paying like £50 or however much the vault actually is, I'd rather kind of wait for the release to be pushed back and then just get a good palette. But yeah, if anyone's, you know, into what's going on with that, let me know like what you think and stuff. But yeah, the first Jefree Star palette I'm ever actually trying. I've never tried any of his before. I've only ever tried his Skin Frosts, which are the highlighters, and then his lipsticks as well, but never actually tried any of these before, so I'm quite looking forward to trying it. But I do need some lighter transition colours, so I'm going to just go to my Makeup Geek palette just to get a few more shades. That I have been wanting to actually try is, I've tried a few in the past, but I've never found one that I like want to keep kind of going back to. But I really wanted to get like a monthly like beauty box, like a subscription box, because I've like seen loads of videos on YouTube and stuff of kind of like the main one I see is, obviously it's American, or it's, you know, it's not in the UK, but like BoxyCharms and stuff, and they look really cool and they like seem to get really good products in there. And I just want to find like a really good UK one. But I've tried 2 so far. I've tried the Birchbox one a while back, and then I've tried a Look Fantastic as well for the UK, and the Look Fantastic one was a lot better than the Birchbox one, but it wasn't good enough to like keep paying every month to get it, because I want to like do like videos of them every month, like doing like a try on and, you know, seeing what you get in the box, seeing if it's worth it and that. But I don't know, you'd get a lot of like hair care and skincare stuff that wasn't like enough kind of makeup in there for me to kind of like do videos on them all the time. So if anyone in the UK out there, you know, knows any good boxes, then let me know, because I really want to do one, but I can't seem to find one that's good enough. I'm doing for eyeshadow, I've just stuck some yellow in my crease and I don't know why exactly, but that's what we've gone for. I think I'm probably going to do like a gold or something and just keep it boring and keep it pretty neutral for me. I like more things to kind of talk about. It's just really weird like talking to, because literally like right now I'm just talking to myself and I'm finding it really weird. So I just try and imagine that there's like people in my lens that are actually, just so I don't feel, you know, completely insane. I just try and imagine that there's actually people watching me right now. So something that I can't actually wait for is hopefully in the next few months me and my family are going to be moving house, so I'm really looking forward to that, because mainly for me, because my room, I'm not going to say my room's small because my sister would probably push me into a wall, because she has obviously she's got the smallest room and mine's bigger than hers. So but like this is small for me, considering like having to film and stuff. It's just a lot of hard work, like using all the equipment and kind of putting it in a smallish for me room. I'd say it's like a medium-sized room, it's not like small, but I'm just really looking forward to moving, and the house we've been looking at has such a nice bedroom, the one that would be mine, and I just can't wait to just have a nice background so she's not there all the time, you know, just have a cute background. That's what I just want, because I also just feel like if I'm in like a new environment, then I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'll be happier, and I mean I already am now, but I feel like I'll be happier to like do more videos and do my videos and stuff. I mean I already get happy like when I'm actually sat down and everything's set up, then I love filming and I love doing it all the time. But when I just have to like set everything up, sometimes I just really I hate just the hassle that I have to go through to move things around in my room just to set up everything. But once I'm sat down, it's all worth it and I don't mind it. So I'm liking this palette so far. It's really nice. The shades aren't like overly pigmented where I'm just putting them on and I just can't blend them, or it's quite like patchy or anything. It's applying very nicely. I'm liking this palette and there's literally no fallout whatsoever. So like when I like watch people film like get ready with me's like this, they always like say like you can get ready with me too. So like obviously you'd be sat there and you'd be playing the video while you're getting ready. Like does anyone actually do that? Like I'm not like saying it in like an offensive way, but I was just wondering, like, because I usually have an iPad out and I usually watch flicks on the iPad when I'm getting ready. Like that's what I would be doing obviously now if I wasn't filming. But does anyone actually watch people's get ready with me's while they're getting ready? Like I see how that could be fun, but I feel like that would just stress me out, because like I feel like I won't be able to keep up with the pace of someone else. I feel like I'll be really slow and they'll be onto like the lipstick and I'd still be applying my foundation or something. So the question is, has anyone ever found a better concealer than Tarte Shape Tape? Because I don't think so. This song, I mean, if you don't still love this song, who even are you? Romeo, you were throwing pebbles and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. Can you please don't go? And I said Romeo, take it, marry me, Juliet, you never had to be alone. I love you. That is such a tune. Eyes at the moment. So I didn't just use Jefree's palette, I dipped into Soph's Extra Spice palette with Revolution. I used the shade Dreams, which is the gold, and then I added like, because one of the shades in his palette, like when you swatch it, it looks really pigmented like that. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I should have applied it with my finger instead of a brush, but I don't know, I feel like it was more of like a pressed glitter kind of thing. So yeah, maybe I should have used my finger actually. I just used a brush because I'm an idiot. So it just came off as just glitter, so I used that on top of Dreams from the Revolution palette, so that's what we got from using those, and I actually really liked it. So I like both of the palettes. I'm just gonna quickly do my eye, like finish the rest of the eyes, and then I'll come back because this video is gonna be a million, billion, billion, jillion years long. This is like my favorite mascara combo, like the Benefit Badgal mascara first, like applying that first because that really lengthens and then it adds a bit of volume as well, and then going in with the Too Faced over top. That's a combo. Anytime I just want like dramatic eyelashes. As someone who doesn't wear fake eyelashes, it's a really, really good combo. So if you have these two mascaras, try them out together because they're really, really great. Obviously, I've never had this issue with the Benefit Badgal BANG mascara, but a lot of people like said that it was really flaky and stuff. I personally never had that. I wear it for hours on top of hours whenever obviously because I wear it on a night out, so when I come back very late at night or, you know, early morning, then it's still on my eyelashes and it doesn't flake off, it doesn't transfer. So if you have that problem, maybe, obviously it doesn't have to be the Too Faced mascara, but maybe try mixing it with another one that you know doesn't crumble or flake or whatever, because that might kind of balance it out maybe, I don't know. Just maybe try that if you do have that problem, because obviously I know it's an expensive mascara and you can't really like pass on mascaras and stuff to people because it's a bit gross, unless it's like to your mum or someone, like a friend or something, then I guess that's fine. That I like keep forgetting to say in a video, but I recently just passed 700 subscribers, which made me really happy because, you know, that's another milestone, I guess. So yeah, I just want to say thanks obviously for, you know, anyone who just watches my videos and obviously is subscribed as well. But yeah, I'm getting close to 1,000, which is like, I had that as like a goal. I was like, oh, it'd be really good to reach 1,000 one day, and I didn't think it'd be so, not really quick, because, you know, it's almost been a year since I read my channel, but obviously I remember having like so many problems like when I first started out, like with filming, with editing, so I know like a lot of stuff held me back. But I feel like if I was kind of where I'm at now in like the stage of like filming and stuff, then I feel like maybe I could have progressed a bit quicker and stuff. But I'm really excited. I feel like loads of people do this when they get 1,000 subscribers, they do like a giveaway. So I've got, to be fair, I've been saving a load of stuff, and like when I'm out and if I see something that I think is like really good and would be cute to put in a giveaway, I just get it while I'm out. Let me just get this foundation off my lip because ew, that's so gross. But yeah, I'm just like always like worried because obviously like when I watch like YouTubers that do giveaways and stuff, obviously they always say that they try and, you know, they want to make sure that the winner of the giveaway is someone genuine and not just someone who's just like googled or like typed in giveaway and then just, you know, just subscribe just so they have a chance of winning and they don't even watch your videos or anything. Like that is literally like my worst nightmare. Imagine like buying and, you know, using your money on a bunch of makeup for, you know, hopefully your, you know, when your kind of intention is to give it back to someone who, you know, like supports you and actually likes your videos and stuff. So that's probably like my only issue with doing like a giveaway, is that I don't, you know, I want to make sure it's genuine. So I think I'm just going to be keeping a lookout over the few weeks and months, however long it takes me to get 1,000 hopefully, if I get there, and just see, you know, who, you know, actually watches my videos and doesn't just come along for the free makeup and then unsubscribes and just leaves, because that's rude. Alright, that's rude and mean, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, that's probably my only like fear of doing the giveaway, and I feel like I'm probably gonna have to do international an international giveaway as well, because I feel like most of my subscribers are like based in in America, which, to be fair, I wish I lived there too, so I don't mind. And there's not many, I don't think, well, not many that I know of anyway that comment or are quite active. I feel like most of them are like, you know, US based. So I don't think I have enough subscribers in the UK to just, you know, do them. So also that's not fair because like I hate like when people that I watch, well I don't hate it, but like I get like a bit sad like when I'm watching like a big YouTuber and they're doing like a giveaway and then they're like, yeah, it's just it's not international, it's just for the States. Like I understand it because of like shipping and stuff, but it is just a bit like, oh. So another thing is I obviously, like I mentioned, that we're going to be moving house in a few months time hopefully. So one thing I really need to do, I feel like I've been needing to do it for months and months. I need to go through that, which is an absolute mess, and I need to just full on declutter it. So I think I'm already gonna do like an eyeshadow palette declutter video. So because that drawer is just, oh my god, that's a mess, and I feel like I just need to get rid of some. So I feel like if I do it for a video, then I feel like I'm more likely to actually, you know, go with it and actually get rid of some. So just let me know if like a makeup collection thing is like something that you still want me to do, because I remember when like just a few months after I like started my channel, I was getting comments like, can you do a makeup collection video and stuff like that. Obviously I'm still not doing it while I'm living here because that is not organised at all. I need another one of those to put the amount of makeup that I've got. It's ridiculous. Like I don't need that much, but it's me, so I'm gonna need another one of them. I'm gonna need, because that's got 9 drawers on it, like it's the IKEA 9 drawers. I need another 9, so 18 drawers of makeup. Like that's a lot, but I want it to be organised and nice. So yeah, just let me know like if, you know, if anyone's out there actually watching this video and you are a fan of makeup collection videos, let me know and I'll definitely do them then. It's on videos. But like you want to see me do a certain video, then let me know, because then if you just tell me, then I'll probably do it. Like I've had a few requests in the past, like I haven't had loads, I've just had a handful, and obviously if I think it's suitable then, and I think I can do it, then I'll just do it. So yeah, if there's any videos you want to see, just let me know. Applause for me because I'm not using the Dermablend powder. I'm using my other favourite that I just can never stop using, the Beauty Bakerie flower powder. Also try that if you've never tried that powder and you're looking for a good one. Try that one, it's really good. I've done my lower lash line. You know what? That is something I forget to do so many times. If you see me do like a makeup tutorial and I just haven't done the lower lash line and I'm just carrying on with the face like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, and I've forgotten to do my lower lash line. Unless I actually say I'm not going to do my lower lash line today, then yeah, odds are I've just forgotten to do it. So woo, I miss this highlight so much, like you have no idea. I'm just taking a bit of Milani Solei bronzer just to, oh god, kind of warm up the skin a little more. So I know I literally just kind of skipped ahead and did the rest of my makeup, but I ran out of things to talk about, so this is my finished look for what I'm going to wear out, and a friend just texted me saying that they're almost there, so I'm going to be late as always. So anyway, that is the end of the video guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. If you want me to do any more in the future, just let me know and I definitely will. And also remember to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and make sure that you subscribed as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thirsty. Hilarious.